Hey ghouls, I hope you're as excited as I am about this video. This is my first ever Simply Gilded subscription box, monthly box, since she changed her style, I guess, or whatever, or changed the box up or whatever, and she canceled all the other orders, and I was able to get one finally. Oh my goodness. So, if you want to see what's in the box as much as I want to see what's in the box, stick around. Alright, y'all. I had to turn this over because my deeps are here. Let me see. Let me cover this up. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Yes. And I did not realize that she was actually in Texas. Was she always in Texas? I don't know why I thought she was in Canada. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking Pretty Pink Co. Anyway, this is my first sub box, so I'm very excited. I've ordered from Simply Gilded before, and I love, sorry for that, my husband is coming in the door and I was trying to see what he was doing. I think he's gonna mow the yard, so if it gets loud I will stop this if it gets too loud, but let's just hope I get this done first because there's not a whole lot to show, but y'all know me. So yes, I'm so excited. Look at this. It's so cute. Oh, looky. So cute. I love this. That is so pretty. Pretty little dashboard there. Comes with the little crinkles, the little wormy things here. So I'm going to take things out and then we will look at them. Don't want to show my address. Yeah. Here we have the, oh, I have a mess over here now, don't I? Put this little piece of paper here to hide some of the dirt that's on my mat. There we go. I don't know if that's in there or not, but I'm trying. I'm trying, y'all. Spring Goddess. I'm cool with that. That's inside there. Oh, look at this pin. It is so pretty. I'm gonna throw this paper out. I don't need that. It's kind of ombre-ed. Pretty, pretty. Has the Simply Gilded on it. Let me get a piece of white paper, maybe? If I can find a piece of white paper. Let's use the back of this. Oh, I'm gonna take the tip off. Oh, this is a, no, it's just springy. There we go. Oh, that writes nice. Smooth. Like it. It is so pretty. And this will fit here so I don't have to worry about losing it on my desk. So, there's that. I'll look at the washi last because that's like the very best thing in my opinion. Here are the stickers. I was so excited. Did this arrive today? I think it arrived today. Yes, I went to the mailbox to get it. And yeah, when I saw it was there, I got so excited. And then I used the scissors and opened it up. But I did not continue because I said, nope, I want to do a video of this because it's the first one I've ever had, the box that I've ever had from them. Like I said, I've ordered other washi tapes from them. Also, if you'll remember, within the last few months or so, I did a haul for Archer and Olive that was a Simply Gilded collab with Archer and Olive that had this beautiful washi in it. So yeah, it had the pink journal with the pink paper, or pink notebook with the pink paper. So here we have some icons and the date dots. So nice. Oh, I just love the picture. We have the bows, and from what I know, from what I've heard, these are something you get every month, is it? Something that matches the whole kit, if I'm correct, if I remember correctly. And those would make really good tabs. And then we have, let's see, let's go with these full boxes here. Full boxes, and then some headers. Is that headers? I believe they're separate. Or is it just one sticker? See, me, I'm so well informed. I don't even know if I can get them to come up. I can't see anything is part of the problem. No, they're cut around it, so they are headers. Headers. All good things are wild and free. Henry David Thoreau. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's just precious. It really is. And look at this. The boxes are so pretty. Wow. These are just really pretty. And then we have some flag type stickers, a bunch of the little bows, little deco, checklists. And then we have days of the week for 4 weeks. Yeah, that'll get you through the month. These are really pretty. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's the stickers, the pen, the dashboard. And here we go, the washi. I am so excited. Oh, looks so cute. What is this one's name again? Oh, I can't, is it Juniper? Or am I wrong? I don't remember. It has a name. I really want the plushie she has on there, but I don't know that I need plushies. I'm in my 50s and I have a million already, so yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. All right, what do we have here? We have some bows in the very light blue. Is it? The bluish color here, bluish green, but very light with dots on it too. Then we have, this looks like it, does it have the bunny on it too? I'm gonna have to open one of these. I'm gonna have to swatch them in something because my book is getting full. My swatch book for washi is getting very full. So, yeah. And I'm sorry if you hear the lawnmower out there. But when he gets his mind set on something, I ain't messing with him. He can just go do it and get out of my hair. Love him, but he makes me crazy. I think it's just because I'm so used to being alone. Yes, it's the bunny and the owl and stuff. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yes, so pretty. Beautiful. Would be that pattern there. This pattern. Let's put those together. Okay. Okay, and then we have the oh, excuse me. Got all freaked out there. The larger bows, like this. The 15 mil, 5 mil. And this is beautiful. Oh, I love this. I have to open this one. I have to open it. And anybody who has watched my Get Ready With Me, my most recent one, and left a beautiful comment, a sweet comment, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. It's just, yeah. I just thought it was time to just be fully transparent and just, I don't like putting on airs or pretending, you know, that I have this, you know, everything's just perfect and rosy when it isn't all the time. This is so pretty. Let me see here. What's this? Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a very pale green, blue-green, sea foam. I don't know. But that is beautiful. Okay. Then we have pinks here. Oh, this is the chandelier this year. on this one. Pretty pale pink background. And then these are 2 of the super tiny. What are these? If these are 5, is this 2.5? Is it half? It looks like it. But those are gorgeous too. Look at that. Oh, they're just so pretty. So yeah, I'm just really excited for this. This entire boy, one of these days I'll be able to do things right or well. Probably not. Not that I really care either. Let's do something here. Let's make this nice and neat. And then, so, yes, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love everything in this. I mean, I really do. Spring Goddess. And I don't know if it's sold out or not. I don't know. This, like I said, this is the first time I was like, oh, I figured, nah, it's sold out. It's got to be sold out. But I went and checked, and lo and behold, obviously it wasn't. And I was so stoked. I got so excited, like a kid in a candy store or something. Crazy, I know. But yeah, this was a short video. I knew it would be a short video. I just wanted to show what was in my box. And this, I'm pretty sure this is the norm for each month. And Simply Gilded is a superb washi company. So I highly recommend you check them out if you like anything like washi tapes or anything. I think I have quite a few of the celestial ones, and I did miss, I'm very upset. I think they have the monthly, oh, not monthly, but zodiac signs going on right now. I missed Aquarius. Didn't know about it until already it was Pisces season, and obviously they don't have it anymore. Now, I did come across a few shops on Etsy that are doing like samples of it, so I think I might purchase some of those because I really need the Aquarius one. I was so bummed. And you know, things like this that people love so much and they sell out quickly, and you go to eBay or somewhere and they charge 5 times as much. Yeah, it's ridiculous. But anyway, I just want to show you what's in the box. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do the whole thumbs up thing. And if you didn't, well, I don't really, you know, it's not really my problem. You shouldn't watch this far if you didn't like the video. I mean, that's kind of silly on your part if you're still watching it and you don't like it. And subscribe, please. And what's the other 2 things? Comment and share. And I hope everybody's doing fantastic wherever you are in the world right now. With the way things are, you know, lots of places it's not really great. A lot of bad things going on in the world, but try to stay positive, and I hope you're doing well and you're healthy. Healthy, happy, all that jazz. And just remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.